But you had such persistence, you wore down my resistance. I fell, and it was swell. You're my big and brave and handsome Romeo. How I won you, I will never, never know. It's not that you're attractive, but oh, my heart grew active when you came into view. I've got a crush on you, sweetie pie, all the day and night time. Hear me sigh, never had the least notion that I could fall with so much emotion. Could you could you care for a cunning cottage? We could share the world apart, my much. 'Cause I got a crush, my baby, on you. Could you care for a cunning cottage? We could share the world apart, my much. 'Cause I have got a crush, my baby.